A sofa might just be the most important household purchase you make. You certainly spend more waking hours on it than anything else in the apartment. Sure, you could spend several $1,000s on a piece from Knoll or Minotti, but to make it really fun, we decided to challenge interior designers to pick out their favorite affordable sofas and love seats, ones that won't become notorious for falling apart. Maude Way remarked, "This mid-century modern sofa looks like you might have stumbled upon it during a trip to Copenhagen," according to designer Josh Greene. "And at $600, the price can't be beat, especially for the style," he says. The tufting on the back, flared arms, and splayed wooden legs make it a fun statement piece. Maude Way Engage Right Arm Loveseat. Here's another mid-century modern-inspired piece from Maude Way that interior designer Vicente Wolf says is another affordable option that works well mixed with higher-priced pieces. He likes that it has firm seating with generous width, which makes it comfortable. With just one armrest, it can also work as a divan or a daybed for a more casual kind of seating. The sofa is awesome. Probably not for people looking for sofas that are extremely plush and with squishy cushions, but it has medium firmness and it's super comfortable. I am 5 feet 6 inches and I can lay down on the sofa without bending my legs and still have a little bit of room left. The sofa will comfortably seat 3 people or maybe even 4. It's very modern and the fabric is also soft to touch, not plush or suede, but it's still soft and nice. I'll definitely enjoy this couch in the upcoming days.